Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the MOVTOTOP heated gloves. These are battery heated gloves for men and women. It's a newest version from 2020. 3 heating temperature adjustable touchscreen mode is included. That means in these gloves you have 3 in 1. You have one full gloves. Nice surfaces, nice quality gloves. Plus you have a really good headed design. And of course, you can use these gloves with the touchscreen as well. They are waterproof for motorcycle, for biking, hiking, and all other outdoor activities at winter time. Excellent warmth retention. The heated gloves heads when it's turned on, and each finger and palm inside the heated gloves is covered with heating wires. These battery powered heating gloves can heat quickly and efficiently. The temperature will rise approximately 5 minutes after you push the button on the back side. Then the headed machine will gain the entire power into your gloves, and you have a so nice feeling inside after approximately 5 minutes. Heated gloves with extended wrist length increase the heating area and keep warmer than ordinary battery heated gloves on the market. It can also speed up the blood circulation, which is especially suitable for people with chronic cold hands to spend long cold winter days. So if you have all day long cold hats, you can wear them all day long, no problem. But you have to look that you are attached the 3AA batteries inside. And then it's 6 up to 7 hours to have warm hands after that. The heat lasts for a long time. The battery heated gloves for men and women is equipped with 2 independent battery boxes powered by 6AA batteries. Each glove needs 3 batteries. That means for both you will need 6AA batteries. It will provide us with long-lasting warmth for up to 7 hours. At the same time, the heated motorcycle gloves are widened around the wrist and equipped with a drawstring and an adjustable wrist strap. So they last longer and keep warmer than other styles. And we have high quality materials. The surface of the heated gloves is made of waterproof fabric and has moisture wicking wool lining to prevent water from entering. At the same time, the gloves are more breathable and can keep the gloves dry at all day time. Waterproof, windproof, and breathable. Heated gloves are very suitable for use during rain and snow. The palm of the heating gloves is non-slip PU, and the index and middle fingers have a sensitive touchscreen design, and this works really nice. It's lightweight and easy to carry. The battery headed motorcycle gloves don't contain lithium batteries, so they are lighter and easier to carry. Of course, you can remove the battery box from each glove, and then you can wear them without an battery case, no problem. But then you have no heated function. But if there is fall or a little spring and it's cold out there, and you will not need the heated gloves, the heated function, you can remove the battery case and wear it like a standard glove out there. So you have so many positive possibilities to use that. The heated gloves are very suitable for various outdoor activities in winter, such as fishing, snowboarding, hunting, hiking, and other outdoor work. The heated gloves can also various problems such as colds and hand frostbite, so they become the most intimate winter gift for ourselves, relatives, and friends. We have three adjustable temperatures. There, the first step is we have to attach the batteries inside the case. Then we have to push the button on the back side of the case to switch them on. That means now the gloves are in standby mode. Then there is a button each glove. Long press the button on the back of the headed glove for man, woman, etc. to turn on the heated function. Press the button again to adjust the temperature. It will rise. The first step is the blue one, 40 degrees Celsius. The second step is medium, that is the white LED, 45 up to 55 degrees Celsius. And then you have the high function. This is the red LED, 55 up to 60 degrees Celsius. And by only one push, you can adjust it easily. The heated gloves have three heating modes, high, medium, and low. Three heating settings can provide the most suitable warmth for those in need. And it's really easy to attach, really easy to use, and they have a nice comfort wearing thing. These are the MOVTOTOP heated gloves with a portable battery case built in, but you also can remove them to wear these gloves without the heated function. Three heating temperature are adjustable, and of course you can use these gloves with a touch screen like a smartphone or an iPad, etc. They are waterproof and really awesome to wear, and that looks really cool. Yeah, this is nice for my next vacation. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.